Hello UCA families, Mr. Weed coming to you from our construction site where you can see we have officially broken ground on our brand new high school and career academy. We're also very excited because in the past couple of weeks we have closed on our bonds, which means this project is fully financed and on track to be finished in the summer of 2023. Now, just to catch everybody up, the plan is when we open school in August of 2023, our high school students will be here in our brand new high school and career academy, and our elementary school students will move out of the Klossner building, which has served us so well over the years, and they will move into our existing high school, which will be renovated for the elementary school. Now, we've got a lot of huge plans for our elementary school. That includes a major elementary school playground, so there'll be some more information coming about that soon. But for today, I want to give you the first of our construction video updates. This one's really cool because it features a drone flyover courtesy of Mr. Green and our UCA drone class, and also some 3D renderings that our architects have put together. Let's check it out.